Good morning. It is a beautiful morning here in North Carolina. That is sunrise. And today I'm hoping to come out here and photograph some migrating birds. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, it is fall. The fall migration is just starting off. I was out yesterday and I saw an ovenbird about 2 miles from where I am right now, which is really exciting. Ovenbirds are not that common here in North Carolina, but the migration is just occurring. So A, you don't know what you're going to run across. You may run into something really interesting. And B, you have a lot more birds to photograph. There are a lot more birds to photograph in the fall than there are in the springtime, because obviously there are a lot more young than there are in the springtime. Also, these birds are a lot slower migrating. So in the springtime, they're moving to get to the breeding grounds. But in the fall, they're just trying to get back to where they start off here. So they're kind of more moving at a leisurely rate. The young come through first, and then the older birds come through. So the migration's a little bit longer. You have much more likely time to see these birds when you can. And when you do see them, they tend to be focused on building up fat. They're focused on, instead of trying to get to the breeding grounds, they're more leisurely trying to get to their winter grounds. So this is an exciting time to be out here trying to photograph these birds. My goal is simple. I did injure my knee, so I am just going to stay in this one area here along this road here. I don't want to be doing a lot of walking and aggravating my knee, especially when I'm carrying all this equipment. But today I'm just kind of hoping to run into some interesting birds. Well, the first bird I was able to photograph is the gray catbird. This is a fairly common bird. I shouldn't say common. It's a common bird here in North Carolina. It's a thrasher-like bird, but they're famous for being skulkers. They don't come out into the open a lot, and it's interesting just getting one here. They are an exciting bird to photograph, and they're incredibly beautiful. Fortunately, this one's mostly hidden by a branch, but I'm glad I was able to photograph it. It's not one of my epic photos, but at least I was able to photograph it. I have to tell you, I had a really tough time getting up this morning, getting out here. My knee was really bothering me this morning. I do have a doctor's appointment next Monday, but I really had a tough time getting up here. The idea of doing any walking at all just did not appeal to me. And I said, well, put the tripods in the chair in there and go out and see what you can run into. You never know what you're gonna see, and being positive and going out can really be something that's really good for you mentally. So even if it's not a great day birding, or it could be a great day, it's not over yet, taking that chance and just going out and trying something a little bit different can really have a positive impact on your life. If you could do me a favor and either subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below, or select one of the thumbs up or thumbs down, that would really help me out in the YouTube algorithm world. But anyways, I just had a northern cardinal land up here. Northern cardinal is a very common bird here in North Carolina. It's actually a common bird found out in the eastern part of the United States and up into Canada. They can even be found in Mexico. They are an opportunist. They eat seeds. They are a very beautiful bird. But one of the problems I think I have with cardinals is because they're so common, they just are everywhere. So I think I don't take that many pictures of them. But I'm really hoping this picture comes out nice. He was sitting up on the branch. He had great light on him. The blue sky behind him really made him pop, and I'm really hoping this image came out very well. So if this image is any good at all, here it is. I have seen a lot of bird activity this morning here. It's just been incredible. A lot of birds have come through here as they're migrating down south, and I've seen a lot. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to photograph a lot of them, and that's been kind of disappointing, but I still had a really good time out here. So if you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps with the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.